Hello everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. Today we have a broken taillight. This is a 1995 Dodge Ram 2500. We actually have two broken taillights. I've replaced these before. They seem to break a lot. They've broken because people like to, when I say people I mean employees, tend to turn too tight and they hit the trailer, which is right behind me, and they crack these taillights. I bought some new taillights off of eBay, fairly cheap, $30 each, which is good because they'll probably be broken in a week. So we're just going to go quickly over how easy it is to replace these. First thing you're going to need to do, in previous videos you've seen my handy dandy Torx bit set that I got off of eBay that I don't let anybody touch, and I rat hole them when I'm not using them so that they do not disappear. That's why they're clean. For this, there's two screws on the side. They take a T20, so we're going to go ahead and take that off real quick. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull it from the bottom. We're going to stay away from the sharp broken edges. We're going to pull it quickly or slowly. Just take off the light connectors in the back. Set aside. Something's rattling in there. Might be just broken pieces. Grab your new light. Okay, so as we're looking at this one seems to be bent in just a little bit. Well, this one is flat, and I think that's our problem. So I'm going to take these pliers here and pull them out a little bit so that maybe we can slide that light in. Maybe it's not a bad fit. Maybe it's just this is bent. So hold on a second while we get that done. Okay, that looks a little straighter. Let's give that a shot.
Hi, I'm Katie and I'm gonna fix the taillight.
Okay, there you have it. A 95 Dodge, taillights fixed, both of them. Or I should say replaced. One by me, one by my assistant, 10-year-old Katie. Say hi.
Hi.
She did a wonderful job. It's fairly easy. I didn't know why you would have YouTubed this. But hey, here it is. Taillights are replaced. Thanks for watching. Hit like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.